This Klein Tools self-leveling cross-line laser level is a high-performance laser leveling and alignment tool for professionals. This level provides a reliable pendulum self-leveling system, clear, bright laser level lines, equipped with an integrated magnetic mount and an additional versatile ceiling clip mount. Klein's cross-line level enables a multitude of alignment and layout applications. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Self-leveling. Easy to read horizontal and vertical laser lines. Number 2. Projects horizontal and vertical lines independently or together for various alignments. Number 3. Integrated magnetic 360 degrees mounting bracket with 1/4 inches and 5/8 inches tripod mounting threads. Number 4. Additional mounting clamp attachment for use on ceiling grid applications. Number 5. IP54. Water and dust resistant. Number 6. Molded hard carrying case included. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.